What's the meaning of coltish? Coltish. Coltish.
Coltish. Coltish. The word coltish refers to someone or something that is lively, energetic, and playful, often in a slightly awkward or uncontrolled way. It comes from the behavior of a young horse or colt that is full of energy and enthusiasm, but still learning to control its movements. When describing a person, coltish can suggest a youthful exuberance or a carefree spirit. Overall, the term conveys a sense of innocence, enthusiasm, and playfulness, with a hint of awkwardness or lack of refinement that adds to its charm.